tanong na kayo.
Attorney, while waiting po, there's one instance po during online streaming na parang kinat yung statement ng defense team na si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman.
Hindi ko
Break
yata
yun,
napansin yung break na yun.
Ay, break. Hindi, sir. Particularly yung statement, sir, na sinabi niya na the self-imposed leave Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan actually represented or become part as counsel of the victims, alleged victims of the war on drugs, but then eventually he concealed it daw before he became the chief prosecutor, which actually makes the entire investigation contaminated. Dung part po na
Tama
yun.
naman siya to. I agree with you.
Attorney, kumusta lang people sa loob? How's the mood?
Wala eh. Yung, siyempre, nandun lang kami nanonood. Oo nga, medyo nakatulog pa ako eh. Kasi wala pa akong tulog eh.
Sir, do you have a reaction doon sa narration ng prosecutor, deputy prosecutor sa pagpresenta?
As I said, it's a rehash of the narrative of propaganda based on surmises, allegations never proven, hearsays, at talagang paninira lang.
How about the external representative for victims, sir?
Ganon din. Mas worse pa nga yung kanya. Yung defense, sinagot lahat na punto na nilatag ng prosecution. Mas kapanipaniwala yung defense. Pero ako kasi, para sa akin, irrelevant yung hearing na ito ngayon. Sapagkat, if I were the lawyer, I would focus on the jurisdiction issue. Kasi itong nangyayari ngayon, paano mang may jurisdiction ang agad sila? Wala pa, hindi nyo pa nga nare-resolve.